Today we are going to take a look at which are the essential parts of a battery. We only know that we need a spontaneous and continuous electrons flow for our uninterrupted power. Then how can we achieve this? We need two terminals. One can provide the electrons and the other can receive it. And in electrochemistry, these are termed as electrodes. And the electrode which is providing the electrons is an anode, and it is in a negative potential because of the higher electron density. What is going on in this electrode, at this electrode, is the oxidation of materials. Oxidized, and these are losing electrons and in a higher electron density. And it is called anode because anions are coming towards this electrode and get oxidized here. And at the other terminal, we have a positive potential because there is a deficiency of electrons and it is ready to receive the electrons. And it's cathode. And why it's cathode? Because cations are coming towards this terminal, and it receives electrons and get reduced. Oxidation is taking place at anode or negative electrode, and reduction is taking place at cathode or its positive electrode. And how we get these materials? For materials, we want to look at the periodic table where all the elements are arranged. And I have a periodic table here, and you can see at the extreme left of the periodic table, these are elements which is ready to lose the electrons, because for the stability of these elements, these needs to lose electrons. And at the other end, we have non-metals, and this is ready to receive the electrons. And we can couple a left element with a right element for our two electrodes. The left side elements are for our anode, and for the right side elements are for our cathode. And if we are going to couple this, can we get a continuous electricity? No. It's only for microseconds, and after that the current flow stops. Why? Because you know that oxidation is taking place at anode, and what happens after a few minutes? The accumulation of the positive charges or the oxidized species and the electrons, and there is an electrostatic attraction between these two, and the same is happening at the second electrode also. So the net result is there is no electrons flow. So what we need is to remove the accumulated species, both the oxidized and the reduced species, from the reaction site. So we need a medium, and that is the third essential part of a battery, and that's an electrolyte. An electrolyte is basically defined as a medium or a substance that allows the movement of ions through it in its fused state or in its liquid state. And we need an electrolyte also. These are the three essential parts of a battery: two electrodes and an electrolyte. So can we make a battery at home? We are going to make a battery at home with the home made substances, and we are getting only microamperes of current from that. And in classical world, this microamperes has no significance. It's very, very, very low. But in quantum world, it counts. So we are going to make a battery at home.